That is a fat crane, look at that. We have a first job. Hyperia construction update. That is a fat crane, look at that. I read somewhere, I can't remember where, that this crane is about 280 feet tall. So, not that much taller really than the ride itself. And I can tell you now, that crane is massive. We also have all the remaining pieces of track just over here. You can see there where the top of the lift hill is. And then there's a bit more over there which you can't really see, but they are there. And they have been delivered, so we are ready to finish this ride. No sign of a samurai repaint yet. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a first job. Oh my god, the whole thing's gone in, I didn't realise it was. Right up there where it starts to curve. This drop is insane. Bloody hell.